In this video, we will cover proper operation of the side mounting option for the AAT unit. The side mount is the most universal mount, with the capability to be placed on either the right or left side of the antenna. The AAT kit includes a bumper assortment with a variety of bumper sizes to allow proper mounting to various antenna styles. Always be sure to use bumpers of uniform size on the back of the AAT mount to ensure proper contact with the antenna. Mismatched bumpers can result in inaccurate data collection. Important: do not attempt to attach the side mount to the antenna with the main AAT unit already installed. Always install the mount first, making sure it is secure, and then slide the AAT base into the unit mount. The side mount strap wraps around the front of the antenna, and then the T-handle straps are secured to the teeth located on the opposite side of the mount. Fasten the top T-handle first by securing it to the first tooth on the strap. Then do the same for the bottom strap. At this point, you will want to pull the seatbelt style strap tight to initially secure the unit to the antenna. Initially placing the T-handle straps into the first tooth is important because it provides the most amount of rubber in contact with the antenna, which helps to secure the AAT in place. Do not force the strap if it is not completely secure right away. You will do the actual tightening with the two black rubber T-handle straps. Pull the top T-handle through to the second tooth, and then do the same with the bottom handle. When you pull the T-handles tight, be sure to pull out and away from the antenna to keep even pressure across the entire strap as shown in the video. You should now have the appropriate amount of pressure for a secure mount on the antenna, supporting the AAT while not damaging the radome of the antenna. It is extremely important to verify that the bumpers on the AAT unit are uniformly touching on the side and the rear. Now that the side mount is firmly on the antenna, slide the AAT base unit into the side mount, paying attention to the displays to make sure that they will be readily visible once the AAT is in the mount. Tighten the adjustable clamping lever to secure the AAT in the mount. Remember that the AAT can be placed in the side mount in either direction. In the event that the antenna position does not allow you to view the screen in the chosen mount position, you can reverse the AAT and work from the opposite direction. Don't forget that you must set the orientation of the AAT based on the direction that the AAT displays are facing. The AAT does not need to be centered on the antenna to get an accurate measurement. Whether the AAT is centered or located more in one direction than another, the accuracy is still within 1 degree in azimuth and 1/4 of 1 degree for tilt and roll. The most important thing to keep in mind is that you want to position the AAT so that both GPS antennas have an unobstructed view of the sky. Once you have completed your work and are ready to move the AAT to the next antenna, you will need to remove the AAT base unit from the side mount. Be sure to power off the AAT before removing it from the mount. Loosen the clamping lever to allow the AAT base unit to slide within the mount. When you are ready to slide the base unit completely out of the mount, you will need to press down on the gravity latches at the end of the AAT base unit. The gravity latch provides a safety measure to keep the AAT from sliding out of the mount accidentally. Here are some tips for using the AAT side mount. Always use an approved safety strap to tether the AAT and its mounts. Hold the side mount up to the antenna to make sure that you have the proper rubber bumpers to allow the mount to evenly touch the side and back of the antenna. Attach the side mount as high as possible on the antenna to allow the best view of the GPS satellites. Attach the side mount using the rubber strap and the following process. Insert strap into attachment points at first notch. Remove slack by pulling strap through cam buckle. Tighten strap to next notch. Make sure it is secure and that the rubber bumpers are all touching the side and back of the antenna. Turn the AAT on and let the unit achieve azimuth until AZM is solid. Slide AAT into mount and tighten adjustable grip lever. Set orientation. Take measurements as usual. Power down the AAT before removing it from the mount. Remove the AAT base unit by loosening the adjustable clamp lever and sliding the AAT out. Depress the gravity latch to allow the unit to slide completely out. Detach the mount by unhooking the rubber strap from the teeth. Do not release the cam buckle. This will save you time as you mount onto the next antenna. This concludes the video on using the AAT Side Mount option.